Oh, we can't see. Hindi siya makita. Ano ba naman? So that's the falls, guys.
Starts moving. Aircraft will fly to set direction. Obstacle sensing unavailable. Pilot caution.
Watch out.
Ate. It's really cold. I'm just wearing my black coat. I'm not wearing my how do you call that? Upper jacket. Kasi no. Masariling ano na no. Ah, there's a nature trail. Ay, we're gonna do nature trail like this? Oh my god, no, thank you. I'm not prepared. Oh, look at that. It's so cold. Sayang mag-video guys. Sayang, di ko ka-video. Napakasama talaga ng ugali. The weather's really icy, guys. And we can't see the falls. This is really foggy. Couple. Ang dami May sarili na ang lakad si tita. Ah, look at that. You can see it. Oh my god, it's really nice. Guys, it's really icy. Look, that's literally ice. And look at our shoes. Kaya nga, dun ka. It's so cold. Bumababa, hindi siya naglalak. Diyos ko. Tapos tayo naman, sunod ng sunod. Sige lang naman din. Actually, summer here is really nice. But there's a lot of people going summer natin. So yung busy. Maybe there's an entrance. Oh, look at that! Which one is bigger? The Niagara Falls? Paano kasi ako na pa ganun? But I think this one is better because there's a bridge on top of it. Kaya tondo na yan, guys. You guys can like that. But right now, not allowed. This is winter. Pag na-stuck ka dyan, wala na. Ay, doon pala tayo galing sa taas doon. Ah, okay. Oh my god, it's really nice. Look at that. Wow. That's the falls. Say hi, Ate Lacey. Pakak na pakak ang blush on. Nagtitingin na naman, tinitignan na naman ako ng masama. Paka-attitude. Mga ganyan, dapat tinalagay yan sa falls eh.
O, sige nga! Sige nga! Sige nga!
Look at that! What? What's that? Sino? Kung ano-ano pong nakikita ni ate. 9 AM in the morning, nakikita yung mga gagambang hindi ko alam kung ano ginagawa. Oh god, look at that. It's really nice. I think you can take a bath in here. In summer, I mean. Not winter. Wow, it's really nice. Look at that. So, para kaming batang tinuturuan ni Kuya Aslo, ninuto na naman tayo niyan.
Ada controller na, kaso ka ba dyan lang gamitan? Parang maganda magkaroon ng ganyan, no?
Meron natang ganyan.
Rio? Galing yan. Oh, naman.
Lang makapagsuot ng coat. Kaya? Hindi mo kaya? Bawal na ka na sa akin.
Hindi naman naging sa'yo.
Bumanga talaga eh. Say hi! 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 Yeah, sure. Maganda nga yun eh. Okay, let's go together all together.
Kaya na may metri tayo kagabal na naganan na ano ba kasi? Metri. Ay dapat
So it's Sunday, March 8 today, and it's already 9:35 in the morning.
Five.
And look at the weather.
Come here, Vic. Come here.
Dapat nakalukap tayo.
Let's try 6 meters only. So it's gonna be a bit closer. Okay. Okay, ikot. Okay, ikot.
Baka mag-display yung
banger.
Nawan. Oh, mahala na di banger. Unless nga natin mahala natin eh. Mahala na. Sige, mahala na.
Tama na yung 360 mo. Baka mamaya maging 250 na lang yan. 250 lang kaya. 549 pala ah. Huwag ka muna yung nasa ikon.
Dapat meron tayong title, Lovers in Quebec.
Wow! So ano kami dito?
Ha?
Optical sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Guys, come on! Wala din, surutan na ka. Adot ko na, function na eh. Sila kumata, naka-circle na ka. Ha? Cellphone ko lang ali. AI ka rin so na, AI ata natin. Naka-AI so na. So, basta rin set mo sa kasi na yung mamanjay, basta sa problema lang. Kitaan na lang no, ala na lang atin po nga ako. Okay. Ada control yan mga kaso ko parang maganda magkaroon ng ganyan, no?
Meron natin ganyan.
Neo?
Babalingin yan.
DJI Mini? May lang aja.
Ay!
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Nada. Jangan metal ke kanan lang sini coba macam. Awak mo kasi ko controller ko. Ada di joystick ko. Kaya na di ko ato 6 kilometers. Oh, problema.
Please monitoring mo lang.
Yeah.
Ata GPS na lang.
Wala. Automatic mo. May dompar. Say hi to him. Just drone me, baby. Makita tayo falls ini. There you go, man. Say hi. It's recording. Lalakban. Nawan. O, mahala na Jabanger. Unless nga natin mahala natin eh. Mahala na sigaw, mahala na. Tara, let's go.
Huwag ka mauna, yan ka lang sa likod.
Okay. Dapat meron pang title, Lovers in Cadet. Langka.
Subject lost. Focus track disabled.
Sa red door.
So, either dito ako mag-park,
Yeah.
mag-shopping for a bag.